Hello, is that Emma? Good morning. This is Dan calling on behalf of Australian DIY Families Institute. How are you today? I'm doing very well now that I've had the chance to speak with you. Thanks so much for asking. The Australian DIY Families Institute is a registered non-for-profit charity providing help with essential utilities such as food, shelter and schooling needs to sole parent families and members of the community in times of crisis. Now, with Christmas right around the corner, we need your help to provide special holiday food hampers and toy packages for these needy families. So we've actually put together a raffle in which you could win a paid holiday to Fiji, which includes flights, accommodations and meals to the value of $20,000. Best of all, raffle proceeds go to your state office so you can feel confident you're doing everything you can to help these kids in your community. I mean, do you think you could help us by purchasing some raffle tickets today? Sure, it really depends on you, Bart. So I wouldn't be doing my job correctly if I didn't start from the very top of the bundle list first, bearing in mind we do have smaller bundles. So to start with, we've got the 500 entries for $560, which provides food hampers for a family of 4, plus toy packages for up to 3 children. I mean, I don't suppose you could help us out with the big one today, could you? Totally understand. I just had to mention that option. So we also have 400 entries at $440, which provides special food boxes and toy packages for a family of 3. 300 entries for $320, which provides food hamper boxes and a toy package for 2. And 180 entries for $200, which provides food boxes for a family of 3. Do any of these suit your budget? These families are not getting the support they need from the government. So if you could help by purchasing 65 entries for $129, you'll help provide a special Christmas hamper box and a small toy package for a family of 3, or 40 entries for $79, which gives nice Christmas gifts to each child. Would either of these work? No problem. Does this seem like a cause you'd like to support? Well, if this is a cause you'd like to support, let me give you one more option. We actually have a special at the moment where you can get 10 tickets for $29 and still provide a Christmas hamper of food items for a family. Again, your support will make a real difference in these kids' holidays. I mean, can you at least do the $29? That's awesome. Thank you so much for your support. These families will be so grateful. So let me pop you over to the verification team so they can complete the details for you. Can you just hold a second? Hi, this is John from the verification team. Thank you so much for supporting the Australian DIY Families Institute and these needy families and kids. We really appreciate it. So let me just confirm, are you comfortable with the amount of your support today? Fantastic. Can I just ask you to get a pen and paper so I can give you our phone number and a reference number, please? All right. So the phone number is 0428 455 302 and your reference number is RP 89476. We always have this number available when we contact you, so if you keep that handy, you can feel confident that you're really speaking to us. Also, my personal ID number is 7749 and my name is John. Did you get all of that? Perfect. Your support today makes a huge difference for these families. I mean, would you like me to pop that on a Visa, MasterCard or Amex today? So when we take your payment, we use Westpac Secure Gateway, which means that even when I take your card details, I don't actually need your CVV, the security code on the back of the card. I mean, which type of card do you normally use? A Visa, MasterCard, or an Amex? Amex, okay. Fire away when you're ready. That's okay. You'll be sending a check? Okay, great. So we can actually process a one-time payment over the phone. We just take down the account details which appear on the bottom of your check or your bank statement, and the payment will be debited on any working day you'd like. We would then send you a receipt and direct debit confirmation in the mail once the direct debit goes through. I mean, would you like me to organise that now for you? All right, it's very easy. So to start, all I need are the first 9 numbers on the bottom of your check, called the routing number. Go ahead when you're ready. Okay, I got the routing number. Next, I just need the account number. Can you please read me the account number when you're ready? Thank you. I've entered that into the system. And what day did you want to have that go through? So that's perfect. I've scheduled that in my system so I can send out your receipt. What's the best email address for you there? Got it. So thank you for providing your email. And can you give me a street address as well, please? Uh-huh. Okay. Thank you. I confirmed your address in my system. I would now like to just take a quick voice recording. I'll be reading out the sales details to you to confirm I've taken all the details down correctly and also to obtain your authority to send this out. Is that okay with you?
Thank you for your support to the Australian DIY Families Institute. To confirm, you have agreed to buy 10 raffle tickets for $29. Each ticket gives you an entry in the raffle to win a family trip to Fiji, a value of $20,000. The results of the raffle will be published on March 31, 2023 on our website, www.diyfamilies.org.au. Please confirm your agreement by saying yes.
Awesome. I've got everything entered into my system to get you your tickets and support these needy families. Again, thank you so much for your help. We really appreciate you and best of luck in the raffle. Have a good rest of your day. Bye for now.